Contactless attendance system, as the system name presents itself. It is a system that gets the attendance of the student. So after starting the system, the login form will firstly appear here in the login form. The students must input their username and password. If either one of the username or password is missing, the student is not access the system. So these two credentials is very important for them to be able to access the system.
Take the attendance in specific subject and date. So after the students log in, this interface will be popped up, and the interface will have a time and date welcoming the students with their username. And in the lower part, the name and the students must put their name, year, and section, student ID, and subject status. So as the name as the login form, even either one of this field is missing, the students are not, and their attendance will not be submitted. So these 6 fields must be filled with their credentials to be able to submit their attendance.
In the left lower part, there is a report button. After the report button is clicked, we have the interface that has data grid view, the search bar, and the view of all and print. For the students to be able to save their attendance, just click the view all button and all the students took the attendance will be seen in the data grid view at the center part. So if the students is just looking for their name, just type their name in the search bar. Example, Danica. Then click the filter button and the Danica student name will be filtered, or if the student is looking for attendance of all sections, example is 3C, all the students' attendance in 3C will be filtered the data grid.
After discussing the system, I'm here to discuss about the code behind the system. So I would like to discuss first is the submit button. We use if else condition that if the text boxes is empty or string.empty, the student are not to submit their attendance, or else string insert into TBL attendance or the table name we use the text student number, class name, date, subject number, status, and to the values txt student, and this is the text boxes. After that, after clicking the submit button, there will show a message box that's saying submitted attendance successfully. So after that, after you click OK in that message box, the text boxes inside the attendance form will be clear, as said in here. In this code. So next is in the report. Next is in the report form, where is if we click the view all button, all the data in our databases, in our table, will pop up in the data grid view. And said that it's saying in this block of code that SQL con.open, which is our connection, SQL data adapter DA equals new SQL adapter, select all from TBL attendance, our table in the database. Then data table DT is equal to new data table, and DA, which is our SQL data adapter, select all from the table attendance in our databases, will fill the DT, which is the DT is our data grid view. So DGV attendance, that data source, is equal to DT.
So this, our data grid view is named as DGV attendance. That data source is equal to DT. So DT is our data grid view. So after that, in here, in this code, btn print, all the values in the data grid view will be printed as the same height as the data grid view. Then after that is btn search string filter text is equal to filter text filter that text. So if this code said that if we put they want to search in text filter in this text box and click the filter button, the data grid view will filter all the ones, all you need to see. And that would be all. Thank you.